Recently added to a group and you're ready to show off your portfolio content? Let's learn how to share to groups in Bulb. First, choose a page or collection that you'd like to share. Don't forget that if you share a collection, everything inside that collection will also inherit the same share properties. This also means if you're trying to share something inside of a collection, you'll have to share that entire collection, or you can move that piece of content outside of the collection and then share it. Now that we understand inherited share settings, let's learn how to actually share to the group. Click into the piece of content that you're trying to share. Then, click the blue Share button to open up the Share panel. Slide the toggle to Custom. Click the pencil icon or the gray box underneath where it says Share with Groups. A new modal will appear that says Share with Groups. Click the box below and then select the group or groups that you're wanting to share to. These groups will be notified that you've shared with them. Click Save on the Share with Groups modal, and now your content is privately shared to your group.